I'm very excited about the new work that we're doing with the team at Vention with the product called AI Operator. So NVIDIA, we build the technology that enables robotics developers to bring accelerated computing and bring AI into their products. We have been working with Vention for a while now to integrate NVIDIA's computers and accelerated libraries to realize applications and robotics which is faster, smarter, and accessible. Combined with machine motion AI, NVIDIA Jetson is bringing accelerated computing right at the edge where you can have the robots perceive, plan, and act with intelligence. Simulation is helping to create synthetic data, which is required for training of the large AI models. So the robot can, in real time, sense, perceive, and plan its actions to deliver the throughput with the performance and accuracy that is expected of industrial applications. Thanks to the advancements in AI and products like AI Operator, manufacturers are now able to adjust to the new paradigm of agile manufacturing and the changes that is needed. With Vention's AI Operator, it's now possible to deploy robotics for these applications that require constant updates, constant changes, that have to be more flexible. All of these capabilities are now accessible to the technician on the line. It enables you to deploy robots in a large variety of environments and applications. So we are super excited to bring these technologies to bear through AI Operator with Vention.